In average per day, 1000 to 1600 employees fired in IT companies. The reason the major reason they are fetching PF report and identifying overlapping and firing people. Okay. It will be very easy to fix your problem, but you need to take immediate actions. You need interest in order to address your problem quickly. Okay. Many people are approaching legal actions. Okay. In dual employment, legal actions will not help you. And second thing is, if you approach legal action, it will be very long process. It may take more than 2 years or more than 5 years in order to fix your dual employment problems. You cannot delete, you cannot remove, you cannot modify anything in the PF portal. For example, fixing your start date and end date is not possible, and deleting entry also not possible in PF service history. For alternative suggestions, you can approach to me. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. You can approach to me. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.